I will start with a very lighter question, and I request Avinash sir to please, because many students they ask sir कि उनका पढ़ाई में मन नहीं लगता sir. They say sir कि ठीक है हम सुनते हैं बहुत सक्सेस स्टोरीज, हम बहुत सारी चीज़ें देखते हैं, बट कहीं ना कहीं उनको ऐसा लगता है कि कैसे डेडिकेट करें, फोकस नहीं रह पाते, हार्ड वर्किंग जो है वो डेवलप नहीं कर पाते. तो सर इफ यू वुड लाइक टू गाइड देम फॉर दैट.
आई थिंक यू आस्क्ड द राइट क्वेश्चन टू द राइट पर्सन. आपको एक वाकया सुनाता हूँ. मैं फाइनल ईयर में था और बख्शी सर और बायती सर को याद होगा, प्रोफेसर सी.वी. मिश्रा 55 बैच के हमारे एचओडी थे, और शुरू से नियम था अटेंडेंस 75% नहीं होने पे आप क्लास नहीं कर, आप एग्जाम नहीं ले सकते. आपको जान के ताज्जुब होगा कि सेशनल में मेरा 100% रहता था, 100% अटेंडेंस. फोर्थ ईयर और फाइनल ईयर में थ्योरी में, फोर्थ ईयर में था 20%, फाइनल ईयर में मेरा 0% थ्योरी क्लासेस में अटेंडेंस. सर मैं ज़रा अपने कॉलेज में, पता नहीं लोग कैसे याद करते थे, पहचान लेते थे, किसी अच्छे काम के लिए नहीं जाना चाहता था. तो सर खुद चल के मेरे रूम में है, हॉस्टल 2 ग्राउंड फ्लोर. आप देखिए मैकेनिकल डिवीजन से 2 मिनट का वॉकिंग डिस्टेंस है मेरा रूम. उन्होंने पूछा कि अविनाश, पहले तो रूम आए, रूम खोले, 10 बजे दिन मुझे उठाए वही सोने से. 8 बजे से क्लास लगता था हम लोगों का. रूम देखे चकाचौंध, एक से एक पोस्टर. रूम में बैठे जो चीज टेबल पर थे मैं बता नहीं सकता. तो पहला कमेंट किया कि यार तेरे रूम में आपका हॉस्टल लाइफ याद आती है. मैं डर गया. यमराज और ब्रह्मा, विष्णु महेश, तीनों मिलाकर एचओडी होता है, चारों मिलाकर. अगर मैं गलत कह रहा हूं तो कहना आपको. उस समय मुझे वो यमराज ज्यादा दिख रहे थे, ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश कम दिख रहे थे. उन्होंने इस बड़ा सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन पूछा कि अविनाश तुम क्लास क्यों नहीं करते हो. हमने कहा कि सर आपको ऑनेस्टली बताएं. तो उन्होंने कहा हाँ. बोला कि सर मुझे टाइम नहीं मिलता. ये फैक्ट है कि मुझे टाइम नहीं मिलता था. कारण उस समय हम लोगों की कॉलेज सेमी ऑटोनॉमस हुआ करती थी. इट वॉज नॉट एन ऑटोनॉमस कॉलेज, इट वॉज नॉट एन डीम्ड यूनिवर्सिटी. और डॉक्टर एच.सी. पांडे से आप लोग वाकिफ हैं कि नहीं है, ही वॉज tirelessly trying to get our college to be a deemed university. Every month, one of the dignitaries, either from the UGC or from AICTE or from ministry, political party, somewhere or the other used to come, and every month there used to be a cultural program to entertain them. And since I was the Dramatic Society secretary and I was the in charge of the whole system out there, हमें वो पूरा ड्रामा रिहर्सल करना, म्यूजिक रिहर्सल करना, एक चैप्टर में था. स्पोर्ट्स में था और 2-3 बार मारपीट भी करता था. कैंपस में और भी सारे एक्टिविटीज थे, तो टाइम नहीं मिलता था. लेकिन जिंदगी में एक चीज सीखा उस टाइम ना मिलने से, कि नेटवर्किंग क्या होती है. मैंने वहीं से सीखा. लोगों से नेटवर्किंग में सिर्फ जान पहचान नहीं होती है. आप लोग नेटवर्किंग में हेलो हाय को न रखिएगा. नेटवर्किंग इज अनलेस एंड अनटिल यू मेक अ रिलेशनशिप, the effort to be with you, if it is not there, it has got no meaning. The effort for us to come down, Richie, me, and lot of people who are come here, to meet you people, to talk to you people, to learn from you, That is our relationship bonding we are doing. And that's what I learned from BIT. कम पढ़ा, मुश्किल से 62-63% मार्क्स मिले, ठीक है, लेकिन जिंदगी में कोई शिकवा शिकायत नहीं रही। इसलिए अगर तुम पढ़ते हो, मौज से रखते हो और पैशनेट हो कि जिस चीज में करने के लिए, गम नॉट फिक्र।
This is what a wonderful answer. Now I would like to ask a question from Gurminder sir. So mostly students, they ask us, because you are from academics and you are teaching in BIT from last 11 years, I think you are the most right person to answer this question. That student get confused that they should go for higher studies after BTech and BE, or should they go for startup, or should they go for their job? Because no doubt there is a calling within, but still sir, what criteria they should focus on to figure out whether they should go for higher studies or they should go for their business or job?
Good evening everybody. ये क्वेश्चन अक्सर स्टूडेंट्स पूछते हैं, दे आस्क इट ऑन रेगुलर बेसिस। मुझे एक चाइनीज़ कहावत हमेशा याद रही कि 1000 पन्ने पढ़ने से अच्छा है आप 1000 कदम चलिए। उस बेसिक मतलब ये है कि आप अपनी लाइफ में पहले एक्सपीरियंस ले लीजिए, थोड़ी दुनिया देख लीजिए, फिर आपको ज़्यादा हिसाब लग जाएगा। सो बेसिकली मेरा जो व्यू पॉइंट है वो इस पॉइंट पे है कि आफ्टर फिनिशिंग योर ग्रेजुएशन आप कुछ साल जरूर जॉब कीजिए। इससे आपको पता लग जाएगा कि व्हाट इज़ एक्सपेक्टेड आउट ऑफ यू, और ये दुनिया एक जंगल है। सो आपको किस ढंग से आगे अपनी लाइफ के बारे में सोचना है। सो माय एडवाइस वुड बी कि आफ्टर फिनिशिंग योर ग्रेजुएशन प्लीज़ गेट इनटू सम काइंड ऑफ जॉब, हैव सम एक्सपीरियंस, think what is good for you, and then design your higher education. I think this is my viewpoint. Thank you very much.
Wonderful, wonderful answers. Now I would like to ask a question from, yes. So P.N. Gupta sir would like to add something to it.
This is a very typical question, and everybody is looking when it passes out from the college. That is not going to do anything. When you are in 10th, 11th, 12th, and when you join first year of any course, you should have a dream. And towards that dream, you must work. Start from the first year. This question will automatically get solved when you pass out. There have been stories here. 3 people have given their stories, and you must have learned that it is your own perception. You go and take advice from anybody. They will give advice as per their perception. They can't feel like what you feel. So it is, the ball is in your court. You have to have your own perception. You have to have your own dreams, and you have to have your own, you have to choose your own way or the career, whatever you want to decide and to become. And before that, when you say dream, if you want to go for a particular industry, you should decide which is your dream company. And if you want to go for business, what is your dream business? That is what is my views on this particular subject. Thank you.
So now my question goes to Richie Mittal sir, and being an experience of 32 years energy efficiency for cooling, sir, the mostly student ask that they are not able to keep one track when they go in their career. They start their journey and then they want to move to another track, they lose their focus. So how to keep that focus intact? What is the way to do that, sir? It will take 4 seconds after the start.
Hello. First, my experience is 33 years now, not 22 years. I look young.
32 years, sir. 32 years.
You said 32. All right.
Yeah, 32.
I thought you said 22. When I did my engineering, my focus was very clear, and that is what I'll advise all of you. Decide what you want to do in your life. You will have a lot of struggles and a lot of questions from family. All of things will happen. But if you are focused, you will never fail. As Mr. Agarwal has said, Mr. Vaid has said, they had a passion. And passion in our college was Hawabaji. And believe me, I'm still doing a Hawabaji. I'm handling air. We call it handle air with care. It is nothing but Hawabaji. And I had a very straight focus on doing Hawabaji. And believe me, as Avinash sir was saying, in that time we used to have terms. We used to have 3 terms. One term was 25 marks, second 25, and third term was 15 marks. So our intention in the final year was that last term we will not give. So we struggled hard, we studied hard and cleared all the papers in 2 terms. Third term, all the teachers were looking for us. Where are these guys? They are not appearing for the paper. One of the professor, I don't want to name, he came to us. He said, what are you doing here? There is a paper going on. I said, I know. You're not going there? I said, no. So why are you not going? Sir, I have already cleared. I need 32%. I have already got it. You are not interested in higher numbers? I said, no, sir. You see, the point is, I was clear in my mind that I want to pass out from the college. And from that day, my intention, my passion was networking. And networking, whatever I am today is all Hawabaji and networking. And believe me, as Avinash has said, that networking is very important in your life. Having a mentor and doing a networking. So when I passed out in 83, I did a job, 2-3 years jobs just to learn how to get into it. And then I started my own business of Hawabaji, which is air conditioning, ventilation and all those things. And 89, I thought of why not we bring all BITs together. And from 89 onwards, we have been doing Bitosa Meet for Delhi chapter in Delhi. And last year also we had one. So the intention is nothing but to bring all of us together and share our experience. And what business I am doing is, the first question I meet anybody, are you an engineer? He said, yes. From where? BIT? Yes. If I find anybody from BIT, my half the job is done. If he's not from BIT, then we have to struggle hard. So I would say that whenever you go for a job, you meet anybody, try to figure out if he's from BIT. I'll tell you, he will help you to the most. Half your job is done if he's from BIT. And that is the strength, and that is the strength I am thriving on. And whatever I am is all because of all BITians only. All BITians have helped me so much so that I can't tell you. And believe me, if I meet any BITian, I get my work done. If I don't meet him, I don't get the work. It is very simple. So the importance of networking is very important. And when we started in 1989, we had a group of 5 people, and believe me, other than me, all the 4 are IAS officers today. And that time we used to collect 100 rupees from home to organize a Bitosa meet, which we did for 3-4 years. And after that, Bitosa came to Auto Mode. But all the 4 of them, other than me, are all, somebody's principal secretary or somebody, whatever, I don't know. I'm in touch with them. And if I have any work, it's just one call away. It's all networking. So I'll again request all you guys to have a very strong networking. It has a very large cost. It's a very expensive cost. Like Avinash sir came from Calcutta, I came from Delhi. I flew from Orlando last night. 3 o'clock morning I came from Orlando and I took a train to Jaipur. Why? It's all networking, because to meet you guys, we have to help each other and see how do we go about it. With that spirit and the focus that you will have once you decide what you want to do in your career, just keep on walking on that line. You will have a lot of other things. You may see this guy is doing very well, this guy is doing so well, I'm not doing anything. But please tell me, I'll tell you, have a focus, and you have all BITians with you all the time. We have 50,000 BITians, and I'm sure all BITians will definitely help you at any length. Thank you.
I want to add about Richie. I am also there in BIT movement, Bitosa movement for the last 15-16 years. But this person is the oldest sustaining Bitosa member, sustaining actively. last 26 years, he's active in each and every meet. He goes to Bangalore, he goes to Bombay, he came to Calcutta, he's there. So, big round of applause for him.
And it's very important, my dear friends, that you should come out of your shell, because usually what happens, we listen, but after the program, we don't come out. We don't share, we don't ask for the visiting card. We don't sustain the relationship also. One meet also will not going to make a difference. Come out, just email, connect with the people. That's very important. Let it not be just a formal get-together. I again say it's a BIT family, and we all need to understand the importance of it. So let's move to the second.
Very, very quick, connecting. I got a mail from one of the BIT, and I have never met this gentleman in my life, but we would have met somewhere. He sent me a mail that he has some work in Idea Cellular. Do you know anybody in Idea Cellular? So he thought that, because I'm meeting a lot of people like you guys all the time, so I would know him. Unfortunately, I knew there was a gentleman who was a managing director of Idea. I just wrote a mail to him that this gentleman wants to reach you. And he has some work, he is a startup. And believe me, within 15 minutes, after I wrote a mail and a copy to him, he got connected to him. And he went and met him in Bombay. This is just 1 week. So see the power of connecting BITs. Please, the first question you should ask anybody is, are you an engineer? Perfect. If he's a BIT, you are done. So, see the power of BITs connecting people.
Now, my next question is for Narendra Pal Singh ji. So usually students, they ask this question that Jaipur is not a right place to work or to do business. Your company, your family business is running since 1977, sir. So I think you are the right person to guide those people who have a very conditioned mindset that places really makes the business. You can enlighten that, sir. Thank you.
I think the scenario has changed of doing the business, whether you do in Bhilwara, Jaipur, or Delhi or Bombay. Systems are so clear that you need not go to other places for doing the business. And Jaipur being the best industry for bearing, since I'm in the bearing industry. And it's basically, as Mr. Arvind said, it's a hub, bearing hub. Doing business in Jaipur, for me it was very difficult in the early, when I started my unit in Jaipur. I started here in 1997. Earlier it was in Delhi. So we shifted from there to Jaipur. Jaipur as a basic infrastructure is really good. The main problem what we faced here was the manpower, skilled manpower, that we have to train it. I think that's what I can say.
Yeah. Thank you so much, sir. I would like to ask P.N. Gupta, sir. So with your vast experience of teaching, sir, if any message you would like to give to the students, and especially for the success, like you met with so many students, you have vast experience. So what do you think are the 3 key ingredients to be successful in life? We already got some ingredients like passion or dedication, but anything you would like to add with that?
The first ingredient is the stability of mind. Whatever may happen outside, you should not get disturbed from inside. Inside means a human being is human plus being. So being is nothing but soul, and soul is place is in between the Brahmuti, इसे बोलते हैं ज्ञान. Always concentrate yourself that you are there and things are happening outside. What are happening outside should not disturb you. So whenever you are on the curriculum, whenever you are studying, you should keep in mind so many things happen outside. You should be always stable. Now, so many things happen. You have to be very, you are always powerful. That is the second ingredient. You are always powerful, but you forget your power. Just like Jamun reminded Hanuman, you have a lot of power. Always feel powerful because you are a powerful soul. Because it is soul which creates, which is contained of all type of powers. So with that power in your mind, with yourself, you can do wonders. And third is happiness. You are a happy being. You are born as a happy being. If you are happy, what happens? How the happiness graph changes. After 4 years, I will pass. Whether I will get a job, I will not get a job. Till 4 years, you are unhappy. You got a job, then you are very happy. But after that, 2-3 years, you say, I should get a promotion. So again, you are working for promotion and you are become unhappy. You got a promotion. The graph is again high, very happy. So the message is that you should, while traveling on the path, you should see that I am happy and that is why I am doing this. That is what my experience. Thank you.
I can see the faces, and I request all of you to not to listen the happiness message with a serious face. So let's smile and connect with the message with a light heart. Now my next question to Sulabh sir, and you worked in 7 years in IT industries with international, you were in Europe, you were telling us. So then you shifted to a industry setup, your cable and wire company. So what exactly compels somebody to transit from a job scenario to industry setup, and what precautions I think students should take care when they do this?
First of all, I would say कि nothing compelled me कि मैं shift करूँ यहाँ से. Actually मुझे पता ही नहीं था कि मुझे ये करना है. I think कि जो milestones हैं life के, वो life खत्म होने के बाद decide होते हैं. आदमी ये बोलता है मैंने उस टाइम पे वो किया, उस टाइम पे वो किया, लेकिन इस समय मैं नहीं कह सकता कि 5 साल बाद मैं क्या करूँगा. तो I was a person like this. जब मैं आया तो उस वक्त कंप्यूटर्स का बहुत था, तो चलो घुस गए कंप्यूटर्स में, कैंपस में निकल गए, IT इंडस्ट्री में पहुँच गए. वहाँ पहुँच के देखा इतनी फैसिनेटिंग लाइफ, चलो ठीक है, सही है, पैसे भी सही मिल रहे हैं. उसके बाद में जैसे जैसे कॉर्पोरेट लैडर बढ़ती गई, आई स्टार्टेड फीलिंग आइसोलेटेड. एक्चुअली मैंने महसूस किया कि नीचे जितना इजी और कंफर्टेबल थे, उससे ज़्यादा ऊपर जाते जाते अपन आइसोलेट हो गए. आई वॉज नॉट अ पर्सन लाइक दैट. मुझे ज़्यादा सोशल और उस तरीके का पसंद था. तो यूरोप में व्हेन आई वॉज देयर, तो आई वॉज जस्ट थिंकिंग ऑफ कि कैसे इंडिया चलें, वापस कुछ अपना जुगाड़ बिठाएं. फॉर्चुनेटली आई गॉट दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी कि मेरे को जयपुर में ही एक सिक यूनिट में इन्वेस्ट करने का मौका मिला. एंड फ्रॉम देयर ऑनवर्ड्स आई स्टार्टेड कि भाई कोडिंग से एकदम कंप्यूटर प्रोग्रामिंग से उठ करके मैं रेजिस्टेंस पे आ गया. तो इट टुक 1 year टू अंडरस्टैंड ऑल दोज थिंग. बट जिसके भी मन में ये कन्फ्यूजन है कि हम कुछ ये कर पाएंगे या नहीं कर पाएंगे, वो बिल्कुल हटा दो. हर चीज़ पॉसिबल है, इररिस्पेक्टिव ऑफ योर बैकग्राउंड कि आप कहाँ से आए. इस चीज़ से कोई लेना देना नहीं है कि आप कहाँ से आए हो. यू कैन डू एनीथिंग, इट जस्ट यू जस्ट हैव टू फील कि आप करना क्या चाहते हो. थैंक यू. सबकी ज़्यादा अरे सर.
Now we go to the next and open question. Yes sir. Yes sir. Yes sir. Yes sir. Most welcome sir. So Mr. Avinash Singh, BIT 82 batch is here to give an address to the audience.
It is nothing great, you know. What is BITOSA? And that was very important. I'm going to talk to you people. And I would have really enjoyed if the second year, third year students, anybody second year, third year, other than the final year, there, good. You know, we all started, BITOSA all started as a social networking thing. Long time back. I know about BITOSA since, BITOSA Kolkata chapter, I was writing the history of BITOSA Kolkata chapter. And there I found it started in 1964. And it was more of a social networking and get-together of BITians. Then I remember in 2010 we went to Bangalore, and when Bangalore started this global thing part, it was not named global. Now coming to the point is, last year Calcutta was given the responsibility to hold BITOSA global chapter, conclave, Calcutta chapter. And then we sat down and what should be the theme of the BITOSA global. And then we came down with the conclusion that it should be mentoring and networking. Networking for us, mentoring for the students. Now, for the students, I want to say, actually there should be interaction from the leaders of the EA. Listening to stories are not going to help you. देखो गुरु, ये सब हवाबाजी है, ये सब फालतू का बात करके स्टोरी सुन के नहीं होगा. तुम अपने को कहाँ पाते हो? पानी में जब छलांग लगाओगे तो पानी के अंदर हाथ कितना तुम मार पाते हो, और वो पानी की विस्कोसिटी कितनी है कि तुमको कितने देर तक हाथ चलाने देगा. That means what you think of the industry and what industry demands from you. That bridging should be done by the BITs. Last year I gave a hint that each and every BIT is successful, like Anil is there, Bad sir is there. Sir, all of you, aap hai, Indrajit sir, all of you can adopt one BITian for a 1 year hand-holding, mentor them, coach them, and then lead them to the jungle. वो ज़्यादा अच्छा काम आएगा. एक लड़कों को अडॉप्ट करें. आप लोगों को मैं 4 BIT घूम चुका इस कॉन्क्लेव के चक्कर में. BIT मसरा, BIT पटना, BIT देवघर, वहाँ से 70 और BIT कैलकटा, 4 लड़कों से इंटरेक्शन किया, सबसे बात की. आप लोगों से बात करने का मौका नहीं मिला था. आप लोगों से बात करने के लिए आया हूँ. आप लोग इंडिया के किसी भी जगह आप लोगों का घर हो, I assure you, Avinash Singh of 82 batch, with the confidence of my friends like Richie, Anil, Ranjan, any BIT, with that confidence, I can tell you, assure you, who are leaders of the industry, captains of the industry, कि आपको कहीं भी आपके घर के पास internship चाहिए, we will do the networking and get you the internship. आपको अभी 4 दिन पहले की बात बता रहा हूं. 1 महीना पहले फाइनल ईयर बिटोसा के BIT बेसरा के लड़के आए कि सर वो बिटोत्सव हम लोग कर रहे हैं, कुछ पैसा हमको चाहिए. हम लोगों ने कहा, प्रॉमिस किया कि तुझे मैं 25-30 हज़ार रुपया निकाल कर दे दूंगा, ये सब नाच गाने के लिए मैं पैसे नहीं रखता. बुरा नहीं मानना, खुद मैं नचनिया था अपने कॉलेज में, लेकिन अभी नहीं. मैं दूंगा पैसे जुगाड़ करके. वही लड़के अचानक रात को मेरे पास 12 बजे मेल आती है, पिंगल होता है कि सर कोई जो रूम्स में, दे वर वन ऑफ द टॉपर्स, जो रूम्स करके एक कंपनी है, उन लोगों को कैंपस इंटरव्यू में कैंपस दिया गया. दैट हैज बीन टेकन ओवर बाय OYO. Now OYO is saying कि you will not get the job anymore. And believe me, I did nothing. Networking की बात बता रहा हूँ. सारे हम लोगों के बिटोसा के, ग्लोबल के, कलकत्ता चैप्टर के, आपके जैसे जयपुर चैप्टर का भी मैं भी हूँ। ये व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप है, उसमें 2-3 ग्रुप में मैंने डाल दिया। एंड बिलीव मी, all 6 will be getting a job. All 6 are already in there. All the graduates are getting them the job. So that's networking, and that's what Bitosa is for UP. हम लोग अपना नेटवर्किंग तो करते ही हैं यार, धंधा उंधा करते ही हैं। तुम लोगों को अगर कुछ नहीं किए तो हम लोग जैसे रोते मरते गए थे ना, वैसे रहते हैं। So please be free, call us anytime, give a mail। 10 बार लिखोगे, 1 बार रिप्लाई देंगे, और सही में अगर प्रॉब्लम में रहोगे जरूर आएंगे। थैंक यू सो मच।
And I, being a member of executive committee of Bitosa Jaipur chapter, I tell you that it's not just words. We have experienced our seniors, they don't just say it, they actually do it. The way they are helping us, the way they are guiding us, it's really commendable. You know, a big round of applause for all the seniors. So now it's an open session. Anybody, any student would like to ask question to the panelist. The volunteer can pass on the mic.
Yeah. Good evening, everyone. So my question is, after this session, I mean, we will not be in direct contact with any one of you. So what should be our next step to be in touch with all of you? How can we be in touch?
Okay. Give me 4 seconds. Yeah. Just 2 things. You can take the email of Richie, Avinash, mine, and Varun Pandey. 3 people. 3 people. Varun Pandey is from Bangalore. इसकी चिंता मत करो। दूसरा, अपने तुम्हारे यहाँ के नितिन जो है, नितिन है, ये सलब है, he is very 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 active। इन लोगों को आप डायरेक्ट बोलो। अगर इन लोग हमको डायरेक्ट नहीं कर पाते हो, हमसे बोलेंगे। ऐसा कोई हायरार्की नहीं है। इट्स हाउ मेनी रिपल्स वी आर क्रिएटिंग, डॉपलर्स इफेक्ट में, कि हाउ मेनी रिपल्स वी आर क्रिएटिंग, हाउ फार वी आर रीचिंग। कहते हैं ना कि अगर 6 लिंक्स करेक्ट हो तो यू कैन मीट द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ USA। सो दैट्स नॉट एन इशू एट ऑल। यू जस्ट हैव टू ट्राई, पैशनेट। इफ यू रियली नीड इट, यू विल रीच अ BIT।
मैं एक पॉइंट और ऐड करना चाह रहा हूँ। हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू रजिस्टर्ड फॉर बिटोसा ग्लोबल? यू हैव द आंसर।
आई एम इन फर्स्ट ईयर और मैं अभी से मतलब अपना बिजनेस स्टार्ट करना चाहती हूँ, बट मेरे पापा ही इज़ नॉट विलिंग टू डू दैट। सो हाउ कैन आई कन्विंस हिम?
If I heard you right, you are in first year.
Yes, sir.
My God, you have a big passion, I would say, and I really don't know, because I never thought, and I don't think anybody ever thought in first year to do a business. You are too early at start. But anyway, I'll just share with you. You know, we have a lot of BITs who have a startups. You know, you have heard Lenskart, you guys?
Yes, sir.
Lenskart?
Yes, sir.
He's a BIT. Snapdeal?
Yes, sir.
He's a BIT. I don't know if you have heard about My Operator. It's a new application which is removing research waste from the offices. It's a BIT. There is another app, laundrywala.com, BIT. Jutewala.com, BIT. So you see, what my point is, you have an opportunity. You know, you can always, as I think somebody said that to start IT you don't need experience. I think Anil, you mentioned that, right? You need an experience. You need to have a thought process. You need to have an idea to do that.
Yes.
So I would say that you should try. I mean, these kind of things. You know, somewhere, you know, it's only an idea which can generate a good business. You know, what was Snapdeal, Flipkart, Amazon? Where are Amazon? Amazon is nowhere near Flipkart or Snapdeal. It is an idea which is selling today, and you see a lot of apps there. You will be surprised that आपकी जो app है Delhi में, it is being handled by BIT. I mean, all the publicity of AAP or BJP for that matter. He's been handled by Ankit Jain. I don't know if you guys know about him. He's a BIT, and he's what I think 2003 or 2004 batch. So you know that's what you have a good potential. If you have a thought, you have what I see immediate is an app which you can develop easily, where your parents will not even know about it.
Thank you, sir.
अच्छा एक चीज इसमें ऐड करूँगा, वो बहुत पहला प्रॉब्लम है कि फादर को कैसे कन्विंस करो, उसके बाद बहुत बड़े बड़े प्रॉब्लम आने वाले हैं, उसको सॉल्व करना होगा, तो उससे स्टार्ट कर लो अपने उसके बाद अपने आप सारा बिजनेस हो जाएगा।
मैं भी एक पॉइंट ऐड कर देता हूँ, होमवर्क। Any more questions?
Thank you.
Yes. The guy in blue.
गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन। सर मैं आपसे एक बात बोलना चाहता हूँ, जब से इंजीनियरिंग स्ट्रीम में एडमिशन लिया है सर, दिमाग मशीन्स में रहता है 24 घंटे। सर पॉकेट में चिप लेके घूमता हूँ, क्या हो क्या गया सर? सर 24 घंटे दिमाग चिप में रहता है, मशीन में रहता है, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी में रहता है। इंजीनियरिंग स्ट्रीम मतलब जब से चूज किया है तब से मशीन में डूब जाना चाहता हूँ सर, हो क्या गया है?
Can you repeat the question, please?
सर जब से इंजीनियरिंग स्ट्रीम में एडमिशन लिया सर, तब से दिमाग पूरे 24/7 मशीन्स में रहता है सर।
I think you have a good passion for machines.
Yes, sir.
You are from which branch?
Sir, triple E, electrical and electronics.
How many marks did you get?
क्या सर?
Percentage?
12th.
No, college.
कॉलेज रिजल्ट नहीं है सर। सर फर्स्ट ईयर।
Okay.
I think you need to come to. I wish you were in Mesra campus. You know, when first day I joined my college, my dad dropped me at the college. पैसा वैसा दे गए. He left me in the hostel. बगल हॉस्टल अपने हॉस्टल पहुंचने के लिए अविनाश सर का रूम क्रॉस करना पड़ता था। तो you know he called me उसी दिन कि अंदर जाके ना गिन के बताओ कितने मच्छर हैं और पकड़ के लाओ। मैं कुछ नहीं कर पाया। रात को I decided to go back. Yeah, let me go back to Delhi and engineering छोड़ दो। तो बस you are lucky that you are thinking about machines because I don't think you are racked here. रैगिंग अभी तो बैन हो गई है। BIT मैसरा की रैगिंग इतनी खतरनाक होती थी कि कॉलेज छोड़ने को हर एक आदमी, मशीन तो हम सोचते ही नहीं थे क्या होती है। So you are lucky that you are thinking about machine and I think you are in the first year, so I think second year वाले यहाँ पे नहीं है। I think they will have to give you an answer कि मशीन भूल जाओगे आप। That is what I can say.
Thank you sir.
My suggestion would be to make one machine. जो आपको मशीन लग रही है ना, वो आप बनाइए।